Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Bricks Gentleman, and today I would like to present you some rescue helicopter. So, James, pass me the bricks. Okay, sir. And here we have the bricks. And now we can spin the blades a little bit. A bit wobbly. See. But you get the idea of the helicopter flying around. And James, kind enough, applied all the stickers, so we see it's on a rescue mission. And we have a pilot in the front. And some rescue lady on the side. And of course we need somebody to rescue. So James, pass me the other minifigure. Okay, sir. So here we have the minifigure. He has some kind of, what is it, a torch or some signal to show the pilot where he is and where he wants to be rescued. And we can imagine that's a snowy hill or something. And we let her down and she can pick him up with... My hands are a little bit more up. It's not that windy anymore, so now he could be rescued. I can fly away to the hospital or wherever. Maybe he got surprised by some snowstorm. And we can open the back of this chopper. So, of course, get to the chopper. And we can put this. Or theoretically, we can put the bed out and transport some person on that. And it's a bit tricky, as you saw. We can close that again and pull her up again so she's safe. That's an interesting little helicopter. And we have, of course, alternative hairs. So she doesn't want to wear her helmet anymore. Maybe because the mission is finished. For him, he has an alternative face. So before he starts this journey or after he's been saved, he has a bit more relaxed face, and in the front you see his worried face. And a nice little backpack. So, and if you want to see how this is constructed, you can find a link to the movie from Brickomime and description of my presentation. And if you enjoyed the presentation, consider to subscribe and to like. And have a lovely day and see you soon.